G'day.
Can I get on?
Getting on? Want the T2?
Yeah, T2.
The T2, okay. Get your full charge.
Alright. So you got the T2?
Yeah, that's what you're after?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Well, of course it's good. It's brand new. EVSE. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Good quality. It's a T2, yeah.
Looks good.
Looks
Wanna
good.
try it out?
Want to try it out? Okay, let's try it out. Everybody. Oh, look. We can try it out right here. Remember, push the button first. Okay. That easy. Plug it in. It's a free one.
Good shit.
Good shit. Happy with the full charge? Happy with the T2?
T2, yeah.
Full 5 metre?
T2's good.
Yeah. Tell you what else you get in the box. I'll do a special deal for you too. Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap, yeah, that's right.
That'll get me off.
Oh yeah, bubble wrap there. There they have it, the 5 metre Type 2 to Type 2 extension from EVSE, perfect for Model 3s. And these Charge Fox, I think they're 22 kilowatt stations and a 22 kilowatt cable. So that's it, unboxing. Thank you for watching. Take care, and if you want the T2 and the good stuff, you know where to go. Oh yeah, like, comment and subscribe and all that sort of stuff as well. Might even do another unboxing later. Never know.
Subscribe.
Never know what my supplier's going to get.